Hi guys, this is Bad Birdie, BellaGemaNails' wife. I wanted to do a little unboxing or unveiling of a new handbag that I got for her. I recently went to Shanghai, China, and I wanted to bring her back something that was only made in China. Something unique, a handbag that was a little bit different. So I'm going to show you what I found. This is a company called WAN Accessory. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it was a really cool store, and it comes with this little bag. This is the bag. So this is it. So if you see, it looks like an owl, and actually all of their handbags have this kind of owl design on them, and it stood out to me because we've been hearing an owl close to our house and at night, and we think it's really special. We think owls are magnificent creatures. So immediately when I saw the store and I went up to it, I said, this is it. This is the store I'm going to get her a bag from. What's neat about this company is that you can pretty much design your own handbag, and the one that I chose was this kind of green patterns to it and green tones. I've been really feeling green for her, so I've been getting her a lot of green accessories. But let's talk about this bag. So it's an envelope style bag, and if I open it for you right here, it's actually also reversible. So this little clasp right here has these two little, I guess grommets is what they're called, and you could pretty much just pull it out like this. So I won't reverse it right now, but you could take all these apart, flip it over, and then you would have a all black handbag. But the design on it has this little cheetah print design, and kind of has like this green oil slick color to it, so you could see the shine there. And then if you look at this mask right here, this is actually the face mask comes off, and they had a bunch of different designs. They had some that were beaded like this, they had other ones that had these little poofs on the corner. Really neat designs and all sorts of colors. So I pieced this one together. Like I said, I chose the envelope style with the green, and then I thought this was the most beautiful mask because it's full of beads and full of detail, and I knew that Bella would really like that. It has all these green and purple hues to it. It has a little bit of pink on the ends, and this comes off as well. So actually on the inside right here, if you see that, you can unscrew that in the center, and the mask comes off, and you can change it up to any of the other designs. So as soon as I go back to China, I'm going to get her a couple more of these face masks so she can change up the design on the front of the bag. And then as they also allow you to choose what kind of handle you want. So I did choose two. I got this little green fluffy handle, which I knew she would like. It's similar to a bag that she designed that had a little green fluffy handle. And it also came with, actually the lady threw this in as a gift for me. It came with a gold chain so she can wear it crossbody as well. I also picked an inside liner, so I have this green kind of suede liner, so you can put all of your accessories, phone, makeup, whatever it may be, inside of the bag without really ruining the reversible side, because remember, you can flip this over, so you want to keep the inside clean. So yeah, this is the handbag I got. I was really excited to show her, and she absolutely fell in love with it. So I'm happy that I did a great job, because sometimes I feel a little intimidated shopping for her. But yeah, she absolutely loved it. And this is, again, only made in China. It's not accessible in the US. They have an online website which you can check out, WAN Accessory, but there isn't any kind of like cart you can shop with. They also do have an Instagram, which looks like it just started, but you can see some of their other designs. And I think maybe when I come back from China with more faceplates, we'll do another little video showing all the other accessories I got for this bag. Anyway, we'll talk to you next time, and I'm sure Bella will be making more videos for you soon. Bye.